Freedom is sexy. JustIncredible.tv.
You know, when we set out in the world, many of us do so with a maple leaf sewn onto our backpacks. But all of us have that maple leaf engraved onto our souls. It's a subtle, quiet pride in knowing that we are blessed to be citizens of the best country on earth. So be proud of our accomplishments. Be proud of our country, for this is Canada and this is home.